Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai Tucson guys, and it could be multiple generation and engines Hyundai Tucson. If you guys need to locate, replace the exhaust camshaft position sensor, stay with us. We'll explain how to identify where it is located and how to remove and replace it. We'll be demonstrating on a 2.4 GDI engine, but actually it may be helpful on multiple engines Hyundai Tucson. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to take them completely apart and make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information to you. Now, if you guys need to buy any parts, tools for a really good price and quick shipping as well, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all our tools and parts from. So this is the 2.4 GDI engine guys. Now before we start, let me tell you something really quick. Many of you ask us in the comment section below guys to share what computer diagnostics we recommend to use. That's the one that we use daily guys, purchased by us. It's not a sponsored video. Okay, right here it says it works on Hyundai and almost any car you can think of. I'll put the link in the description of the video below if you need to check the current price and features guys, so check it out. I'll put the link there. Now we will need to remove that upper engine cover. It has 4 bushings that it attaches to the engine if you have that engine. So now let me show you something. Here you have the intake manifold. That's where the car gets its air and fuel from. On the back side you have the exhaust manifold. So looking at it now guys, okay, right here, let me show you something quick. Now this right here guys, okay, if the intake manifold means that the intake camshaft is right here, the exhaust camshaft is there. This is the intake camshaft position sensor, and if we come on the back side, we're going to locate the exhaust camshaft position sensor right here. It will be mounted on the cylinder head. It's a magnetic device. We'll explain about it. And now how we need to remove it, we need to actually remove, in our case, okay, the engine hook right here with a 12mm socket, okay, and we will put it right there. Now once we do that, underneath we have one more bolt with a 10mm socket that we need to remove. Okay, check it out right there. Perfect, and it will come out. Now we grab that sensor, okay, and you pull it out. The O-ring may be stuck. Make sure it's not stuck in the cylinder head and it comes out. You press down here, okay, and you pull it out. That's the exhaust camshaft position sensor. If you guys want to see how to test, okay, exhaust camshaft position sensor on a Hyundai, check out the video on our main YouTube channel, Auto Repair guys. It's going to teach you everything from start to finish. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.